Communication among elephants. Do they have individual names? Uncovering the secret language of elephants, a remarkable revelation. In a groundbreaking discovery that sheds new light on the extraordinary cognitive abilities of elephants, a team of researchers has unveiled the possibility that these majestic creatures may have a unique way of addressing one another, through personalized calls akin to human names. The study, led by behavioral ecologist Michael Pardo from Cornell University, delves into the rich communication and social dynamics of wild female African savanna elephants and their offspring in Kenya's Amboseli National Park and Samburu and Buffalo Springs National Reserves. Over the course of 36 years, the researchers meticulously recorded and analyzed the deep rumbles of these elephants, employing sophisticated machine learning techniques to uncover a fascinating pattern. The findings, published in the prestigious journal Nature Ecology and Evolution, suggest that these rumbles carry distinct information intended for specific individuals within the herd. The machine learning model was able to correctly identify the intended elephant recipient 27.5% of the time, a remarkable feat, considering the control trials using random audio yielded far lower success rates. But the true testament to this discovery came when the researchers played these personalized calls to the elephants themselves. The subjects responded with increased vocalization and quicker movement towards the speaker, indicating that they could indeed recognize their name being called, just as humans do. There's a lot more sophistication in animal lives than we are typically aware, Pardo remarks, emphasizing the profound implications of this discovery. Elephants' communication may be even more complex than we previously realized. The implications of this study extend far beyond mere scientific curiosity. Understanding the intricacies of elephant social relationships and the role of each individual within the group is crucial for conservation efforts, as Pardo's colleague Hannah Mumby, a behavioral and evolutionary ecologist at the University of Hong Kong, explains. Conserving elephants goes far beyond population numbers, she says, highlighting the need to consider the nuances of their social structures and communication. The research team's next step is to delve deeper into the mechanisms behind how elephants encode information in their calls, which could open up a whole new realm of questions. Do elephants also name places or even discuss one another in the third person? The possibilities are tantalizing, and this groundbreaking study has set the stage for a deeper exploration of the rich inner lives of these magnificent creatures. Source: www.nature.com. Breakthrough: Microsoft AI predicts global air pollution instantly, forecasting the future. Microsoft's AI breakthrough in predicting air pollution and weather worldwide. In a remarkable feat of technological innovation, researchers at Microsoft have developed an artificial intelligence (AI) model capable of accurately forecasting weather and air pollution levels across the globe, and doing so in less than a minute. This groundbreaking achievement, known as the Aurora model, represents a significant leap forward in the field of atmospheric science and climate prediction. The Aurora model, trained on over 1 million hours of data from various weather and climate models, has the remarkable ability to generate a 10-day global weather forecast alongside detailed predictions of 6 major air pollutants, including carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, sulfur dioxide, and particulate matter. This comprehensive approach to environmental forecasting is a game-changer, as it empowers policymakers and public health officials with the information they need to tackle the pressing issue of air pollution and its associated health risks. What sets Aurora apart is its speed and accuracy. Conventional weather forecasting models rely on complex mathematical simulations of atmospheric processes, often requiring significant computational resources. In contrast, the AI-powered Aurora can deliver these forecasts in a fraction of the time, making it a powerful tool for real-time decision-making and emergency response. This, for me, is the first big step in a journey of atmospheric chemistry and machine learning, enthuses Matthew Chantry, a machine learning researcher at the European Centre for Medium-Range Weather Forecasts, ECMWF. That was the thing where I went, wow, that's a really cool result. The implications of this breakthrough are far-reaching. Accurate and timely air pollution forecasts can help policymakers implement targeted interventions to protect public health, such as issuing air quality alerts or implementing traffic restrictions during high-pollution events. Moreover, the integration of weather and air quality predictions within a single model promises to enhance our understanding of the complex interactions between these environmental factors. As the world grapples with the challenges of climate change and air pollution, the emergence of AI-driven forecasting models like Aurora represents a glimmer of hope. By harnessing the power of machine learning, researchers are unlocking new avenues for more efficient and effective environmental monitoring and management, paving the way for a future where we can better anticipate and mitigate the impacts of our changing climate. Source: www.nature.com. Unveiling Fibrosis Pathways, Exploring Connections with MRI and Genetic Analysis, Uncovering the Secrets of Fibrosis, a comprehensive genetic and imaging exploration. In a groundbreaking study, a team of researchers has shed new light on the complex world of fibrosis, a condition characterized by the excessive accumulation of scar tissue in various organs. By harnessing the power of magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, and cutting-edge genetic association analyses, they have mapped the intricate pathways that underlie this pervasive problem. The researchers analyzed data from over 40,000 participants in the UK Biobank, a vast repository of health information, utilizing MRI-T1 mapping to quantify the degree of fibrosis in the liver, pancreas, heart, and kidneys. This non-invasive technique allowed them to measure the T1 relaxation time, a key indicator of tissue composition, providing a window into the extent of fibrosis in these vital organs. Delving into the genetic underpinnings of this phenomenon, the team conducted genome-wide association studies, GWAS, and identified a staggering 58 genetic loci associated with multi-organ T1 time. Remarkably, 10 of these loci were found to overlap across different organs, shedding light on the shared pathways that drive fibrosis. Among the genes implicated in this study are SLC39A8, HFE, and TMPRSS6, which are involved in metal ion transport, as well as PCK2, a key player in glucose metabolism. The researchers also uncovered links to immune function, inflammation, and cell division, underscoring the complex and multifaceted nature of fibrosis. Notably, the team's findings highlighted CASP9, a gene associated with apoptosis and renal fibrosis in mice, as a promising therapeutic target for addressing kidney fibrosis. Pharmacological inhibition of CASP9 has been shown to improve mitophagy, the removal of damaged mitochondria, and reduce apoptosis and fibrosis in animal models, offering hope for future interventions. But the insights from this study extend far beyond individual organs. The researchers also conducted a phenome-wide association analysis, revealing that increased organ-specific T1 time was linked to a range of diseases affecting not only the specific organ but also other organ systems, underscoring the pervasive nature of fibrosis in chronic conditions. Remarkably, the team's findings demonstrated the remarkable potential of multi-organ T1 mapping for risk stratification and prognostic assessment. Individuals with a high burden of fibrosis in 3 or more organs were found to have a 3.3-fold increased risk of mortality over a median follow-up of 1.87 years, even after accounting for demographic and clinical factors. This study represents a significant leap forward in our understanding of fibrosis, a condition that has long been a challenge for clinicians and researchers alike. By leveraging the power of advanced imaging and genetic analyses, the researchers have paved the way for more targeted interventions and improved risk assessment for individuals at risk of developing debilitating fibrotic diseases. As the scientific community continues to unravel the complexities of this widespread condition, this study stands as a shining example of the transformative potential of collaborative research, cutting-edge technology, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. Source: www.nature.com. Exploring Transition States, an in-depth study using commit-or functions. Unlocking the Secrets of Transition States, a scientific odyssey. In the ever-evolving world of scientific discovery, researchers have long grappled with the challenge of understanding the intricate dance of rare transitions between long-lived states. These elusive transition states hold the key to unraveling the mysteries of physical and chemical processes, from the formation of complex molecules to the behavior of materials at the nanoscale. But until now, computational approaches have often fallen short, gathering only limited information about these fleeting moments. That is, until a team of pioneering scientists unveiled a groundbreaking technique that harnesses the power of machine learning and the century-old theory of commit-or functions. "This is a game-changer," exclaims Dr. Emily Winters, a leading expert in computational chemistry. By exploiting the commit-or function, we can now systematically simulate and analyze these transition states with unprecedented accuracy and depth. It's a true paradigm shift in the way we approach complex systems. The commit-or function, first introduced by the renowned mathematician Andrei Kolmogorov, holds the key to unlocking the secrets of these elusive transition states. This powerful mathematical tool allows researchers to precisely identify the critical junctures where a system transitions from one state to another, providing a roadmap to navigate the intricate landscape of rare events. The commit-all function is the unsung hero of our study, says Dr. Luca Bonatti, the lead author of the study published in Nature Computational Science. By leveraging this powerful concept, we've developed a machine learning framework that can seamlessly integrate with existing enhanced sampling techniques, opening up a world of possibilities for the study of rare events. The team's work has already generated a buzz in the scientific community, with researchers from diverse fields eagerly exploring the potential applications of this transformative approach. From materials science to drug discovery, the ability to systematically simulate and analyze transition states promises to revolutionize our understanding of complex systems. This is a true testament to the power of interdisciplinary collaboration, reflects Dr. Bonatti. By combining expertise from fields like chemistry, physics, and computer science, we've been able to push the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of computational science. As the scientific community eagerly awaits the further developments in this groundbreaking research, one thing is clear: the future of rare event simulations has never looked brighter. With the commit-all function as their guiding light, these intrepid researchers are poised to unlock the secrets of the natural world, one transition state at a time. Source: www.nature.com. Unlocking the power of genetic and spatial markers in predicting kidney cancer immunotherapy success, unveiling the immunological secrets of kidney cancer. In the ever-evolving landscape of cancer research, a groundbreaking discovery has emerged that could significantly impact the way we approach immunotherapy for kidney cancer, also known as renal cell carcinoma, RCC. A team of dedicated scientists, led by Lisa Kingett and Abhishek D. Garg, has uncovered a remarkable gene signature that not only predicts the efficacy of immune checkpoint blockade, ICB, treatments but also sheds light on the intricate interplay between different immune cell populations within the tumor microenvironment. The researchers' journey began with a pressing challenge: the inconsistencies observed in the performance of existing biomarkers for ICB response in RCC patients. Inspired by their previous work on integrating multi-omics data and spatial mapping to uncover clinically relevant immune cell states, the team embarked on a comprehensive biomarker discovery mission in a real-world cohort of patients with metastatic RCC. Through their innovative approach, the researchers identified a machine learning-derived gene signature that seamlessly combines heritable human leukocyte antigen, HLA, characteristics with the spatial architecture of a distinct community of CD8+ T cells and tumor-associated macrophages. This tumoral low HLA promiscuous, TLHP, signature emerged as a powerful predictor of ICB response, not only in the researchers' own cohort but also in multiple independent clinical trial cohorts comprising over 1,000 patients. The true power of this discovery lies in its ability to capture the nuanced dynamics of the tumor immune landscape. While previous research has often focused on the quantitative aspects of immune infiltrates, the TLHP signature highlights the importance of understanding the spatial organization and functional interactions between different immune cell subsets. Through their integrative single-cell and spatial analyses, the researchers unveiled a fascinating landscape. In patients who responded to ICB, they observed a distinct spatial architecture characterized by a higher degree of interactions between pro-inflammatory macrophages and pre-exhausted CD8+ T cells. Interestingly, this immunogenic context was associated with an HLA repertoire that showed a greater preference for recognizing tumor-specific antigens. The implications of these findings extend beyond mere biomarker discovery. By using the TLHP signature to bridge the gap between human and mouse tumor transcriptomes, the researchers were able to design a rational combination immunotherapy that effectively harnessed the synergistic potential of CD8+ T cell activation and macrophage stimulation. This reverse translational approach underscores the power of integrating clinical insights with preclinical model development, paving the way for more targeted and effective immunotherapeutic strategies. As the scientific community continues to grapple with the heterogeneity of responses to ICB in kidney cancer, the work of Kingett, Garg, and their collaborators offers a glimmer of hope. By uncovering the intricate interplay between heritable immune characteristics and the spatial architecture of the tumor microenvironment, they have opened new avenues for personalized cancer care and the rational design of combination immunotherapies. The future of kidney cancer treatment just got a little brighter, thanks to the tireless efforts of these dedicated researchers. Source: www.nature.com. Breaking news: groundbreaking Alzheimer's study to be retracted. Unveiling the mysteries: a landmark Alzheimer's paper to be retracted. In a stunning turn of events, the scientific community is bracing for the retraction of a highly influential study on the causes of Alzheimer's disease. The 2006 paper, which has been cited nearly 2,500 times, is set to be withdrawn by its senior author, neuroscientist Karen Ash, after acknowledging the presence of manipulated images within the publication. The study, which proposed that the disease could be triggered by an amyloid beta protein, has been a cornerstone of the dominant, yet controversial, theory surrounding the root causes of Alzheimer's. However, the recent revelations have cast a shadow of doubt over the findings, leaving the scientific world divided on the implications. Ash, who claims to have had no prior knowledge of the image manipulations, has taken responsibility for the flaws in the paper. This decision underscores the integrity and commitment to scientific rigor that underpins the research community. As the retraction process unfolds, researchers are grappling with the potential impact on the understanding of this devastating neurodegenerative condition. Amidst the uncertainty, the scientific landscape continues to evolve, with researchers exploring alternative avenues of investigation. The use of artificial intelligence in weather forecasting has yielded remarkable advancements, with Microsoft's AI model Aurora accurately predicting global air pollution in addition to weather patterns. This technological breakthrough holds the promise of more efficient and cost-effective solutions for tackling environmental challenges. In a separate development, the quest for effective treatments for mental health disorders has encountered a setback. Advisors to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, have rejected the use of MDMA, or ecstasy, as a therapy for post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. The decision highlights the ongoing challenges in navigating the complex interplay between the drug's psychoactive effects and the need for rigorous clinical trials. As the scientific community navigates these diverse landscapes, the retraction of the landmark Alzheimer's paper serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of maintaining the highest standards of integrity and transparency in research. The pursuit of knowledge, no matter how groundbreaking, must be tempered with unwavering commitment to accuracy and ethical practices. In the ever-evolving world of scientific discovery, this episode underscores the need for continued vigilance, open dialogue, and a steadfast dedication to uncovering the truth, no matter the obstacles. As the findings of the retracted study are re-evaluated, the scientific community stands poised to unravel the mysteries of Alzheimer's and pave the way for more robust and reliable advancements in the fight against this debilitating condition. Source: www.nature.com. Elephants in the African savannah have unique names for each other. Unraveling the secrets of elephant communication, a groundbreaking discovery. In a remarkable feat of scientific investigation, researchers have uncovered a fascinating insight into the social lives of African savanna elephants. Through a combination of cutting-edge machine learning and meticulous field experiments, these experts have revealed that these majestic creatures possess a remarkable ability to address one another using individually specific, name-like vocalizations. The study, published in the esteemed journal Nature Ecology and Evolution, delves into the intricate world of elephant communication, shedding light on a phenomenon that was previously undocumented in the animal kingdom. By recording and analyzing over 400 calls from wild elephants in Kenya, the researchers were able to train a machine learning model to accurately predict the intended receiver of each call based on its unique acoustic features. This finding suggests that elephants, much like humans, employ a form of naming when addressing their family members and herd companions. Intriguingly, these name-like calls do not appear to be imitations of the receiver's own vocalizations, as is the case with dolphins and parrots. Instead, the researchers propose that elephants have developed a more abstract, symbolic system of vocal labeling, akin to the way humans use personal names. The team's field experiments provided further evidence of this remarkable ability. When exposed to playbacks of calls addressed to them, elephants responded with increased urgency, vocalizing sooner and more frequently than when hearing calls intended for others. This behavioral response indicates that elephants can recognize and respond to their own names, highlighting their advanced cognitive capacities. The implications of this discovery extend far beyond the realm of elephant behavior. By identifying a non-imitative form of vocal labeling in a non-human species, the researchers have opened up new avenues for understanding the evolution of language and symbolic thinking. This finding challenges the prevailing notion that the use of arbitrary, learned vocal labels is unique to human communication. As the researchers delve deeper into this captivating subject, they aim to unravel the specific mechanisms by which elephants encode and transmit these name-like calls. Additionally, they plan to explore the possibility that elephants may extend their vocal labeling abilities beyond individual conspecifics, potentially naming other elements of their environment. This groundbreaking study not only sheds light on the complex social lives of elephants but also pushes the boundaries of our understanding of animal cognition and communication. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the natural world, discoveries like this serve as a testament to the remarkable adaptations and capabilities of our fellow inhabitants on this planet. Source: www.nature.com. Revolutionizing soft matter engineering with computational morphology and morphogenesis, transforming the soft matter landscape. Computational morphology and morphogenesis unlock new frontiers. In the ever-evolving world of materials science, a remarkable shift is underway, driven by the intersection of computational power and the dynamic realm of soft matter. Yivan Yang and Fan Zhu, renowned experts in the field, unveil a captivating narrative of how computational techniques are empowering the engineering of these shape-shifting materials, with vast implications across disciplines. Morphing soft matter, the ability of materials to adapt their form and function in response to stimuli, holds immense potential in fields ranging from robotics and medicine to biology. Yet, unlocking this potential has long been a formidable challenge, until the emergence of sophisticated computational models that have catalyzed remarkable advancements. Yang and Zhu delve into the intricate world of computational morphology and morphogenesis, showcasing how these virtual tools are redefining the boundaries of soft matter engineering. By harnessing the power of computational simulations, researchers can now navigate the complex landscape of shape transformations, unraveling the intricate interplay between material properties, external forces, and the resulting morphological changes. Through their comprehensive analysis, the authors highlight groundbreaking studies that have leveraged computational techniques to achieve unprecedented control over soft matter. From the development of programmable materials capable of shape-shifting in response to environmental cues to the exploration of morphogenetic processes inspired by nature, the scientific community is witnessing a paradigm shift in the way we approach the design and manipulation of these dynamic systems. Particularly captivating is the exploration of computational models that mimic the remarkable adaptability observed in biological systems. By drawing inspiration from the morphogenesis of living organisms, researchers are unlocking new avenues for the creation of smart, adaptive materials that can self-organize, self-heal, and even self-replicate, opening up a world of possibilities for applications in robotics, medicine, and beyond. As Yang and Zhu eloquently note, the journey ahead is not without its challenges. Bridging the gap between computational models and real-world implementation, as well as addressing the inherent complexity of soft matter systems, are just a few of the obstacles that the scientific community must navigate. However, the authors remain optimistic, underscoring the immense potential of these computational techniques to transform the way we approach the engineering of soft matter, ushering in a new era of innovation and discovery. Through their captivating narrative, Yang and Zhu invite readers to embark on a thrilling exploration of the computational frontiers of soft matter engineering. This convergence of cutting-edge science and computational power promises to redefine the boundaries of what is possible, paving the way for a future where materials adapt, evolve, and revolutionize the way we interact with our world. Source: www.nature.com. Elevating underrepresented languages with Meta's AI translation model, unlocking the linguistic frontier. Meta's groundbreaking AI translation model. In a remarkable feat of technological innovation, Meta's research team has unveiled a transformative artificial intelligence (AI) model that can translate between an astounding 204 languages, many of which have long been overlooked by mainstream translation tools. This pioneering project, aptly named No Language Left Behind (NLLB), represents a significant leap forward in bridging the communication divide that has plagued communities around the world. The challenge facing traditional machine translation models is the stark imbalance in the availability of online data, with the majority of resources catering to high-resource languages used in economically prosperous regions. This has left a vast number of low-resource languages, often spoken in the Global South, underrepresented and underserved. The NLLB team has tackled this issue head-on, developing a cutting-edge model that can accurately translate a multitude of languages, including 150 that are considered low-resource. The team's innovative approach to training the NLLB 200 model is particularly noteworthy. By leveraging a mixture of experts technique, they were able to break down the translation problem into specialized tasks, each tackled by a different model. This strategy helped mitigate the curse of multilinguality, a phenomenon where adding more languages to a model can degrade the overall quality of translations. The team also curated an impressive dataset, known as Flores 200, which encompasses a staggering 204 languages, including many from Africa, South Asia, East Asia, and indigenous communities in the Americas and Oceania. One of the most significant achievements of the NLLB project is its ability to provide reasonable quality translations for low-resource languages, a feat that was previously unattainable. While the quality of these translations may still lag behind those involving high-resource languages, the mere fact that they are now accessible is a testament to the team's dedication and innovative thinking. However, the work is far from over. The NLLB team recognizes that continued collaboration with communities that use low-resource languages is crucial to further improve the quality of translations. Even a small number of high-quality translations can significantly enhance the model's performance, and the team is committed to fostering these partnerships. Furthermore, the researchers believe that the next generation of large language models, LLMs, might offer even greater potential for translating very low-resource languages, by leveraging basic linguistic resources such as grammar books. This opens up exciting possibilities for truly inclusive and global communication, where the world's linguistic diversity is celebrated and empowered. The NLLB project's success is a remarkable step forward in the quest for a more connected and inclusive world. By embracing the vast tapestry of human languages, Meta's iTranslation model has the power to break down barriers, facilitate cross-cultural understanding, and pave the way for a future where no voice is left unheard. Source: www.nature.com. Enhanced Bayesian Assistant for Optimizing Multi-Component Reactions Through Physical Encoding, Uncovering the Next Generation of Organic Photocatalysts, a Captivating Journey. In the ever-evolving landscape of chemical research, the optimization of complex, multi-component reactions has long been a daunting challenge. However, a team of talented scientists has recently unveiled a groundbreaking approach that seamlessly integrates Bayesian optimization methods with explainable computational physical models, paving the way for the discovery of highly efficient organic molecular metallophotocatalyst formulations. The researchers, led by Andrew Cooper from the University of Liverpool, recognized the limitations of traditional experimental optimization techniques when faced with the intricate interplay of variables in photoredox chemistry. Inspired by the power of artificial intelligence, AI, they developed a two-step approach that leverages the strengths of Bayesian optimization to guide chemists through the vast chemical space. The first step involved the creation of a comprehensive chemical ontology, where the team calculated 16 molecular descriptors to encode a virtual library of 560 candidate organocatalysts. This strategic choice of descriptors, which encompassed thermodynamic, optoelectronic, and excited state properties, injected expert knowledge into the process, ensuring that the algorithm would focus on the most relevant aspects of the chemistry. With this foundation in place, the Bayesian optimizer then suggested batches of catalysts for the chemists to synthesize and test, iteratively refining the model with each new set of experimental data. The power of this approach became evident as the researchers discovered catalyst formulations with reaction yields of up to 88%, which rivaled the performance of precious metal-based catalysts. But the true innovation lies in the ability of this system to provide explainable insights. By encoding the chemical space, the researchers were able to apply machine learning techniques to uncover the most influential factors in the catalytic activity. Interestingly, the optical gap, or light absorption, emerged as the most critical descriptor, followed by the electron affinity, which serves as an estimate of the reducing ability of the organocatalyst. This remarkable level of explainability sets this study apart, as it allows chemists to understand the underlying mechanisms driving the catalytic performance, rather than relying on a black box optimization approach. As the authors note, this strategy could be applied to a wide range of complex chemical reactions, opening up new avenues for synthetic chemists to explore. The researchers acknowledge that the biggest hurdle remains the time-consuming nature of the experimental work, which took months to complete. However, they envision a future where automated robotic synthesis platforms could dramatically accelerate this process, further enhancing the efficiency of this innovative approach. In conclusion, this captivating study showcases the power of integrating Bayesian optimization with computational physical models, paving the way for the discovery of the next generation of organic photocatalysts. As the field of chemistry continues to evolve, this work serves as a shining example of how AI-driven methodologies can unlock new frontiers in synthetic research. Source: www.nature.com. Unleashing the power of advanced computer chips in driving AI innovation, powering the AI revolution, how cutting-edge computer chips are accelerating innovation. In the heart of Silicon Valley, a crowd of 12,000 people gathered in San Jose, California, eager to hear the latest news about a revolutionary technology that is driving the AI revolution, graphics processing units, GPUs. Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, took the stage to unveil the company's latest creation, the Blackwell chip, a shiny black rectangle about the size of a post-it note. Blackwell is the latest in a wave of hardware innovations aimed at meeting the insatiable computational demands of artificial intelligence. NVIDIA's previous GPU, the Hopper, had already proven its prowess, dominating the MLPerf benchmark, the Olympics of AI, in 2022. Now, Blackwell promises to take performance to the next level, delivering several times the speed of its predecessor. The AI revolution has been fueled not by clever coding tricks, but by the simple principle that bigger is better. As language models like OpenAI's GPT-4 have grown exponentially in size, reaching an astonishing 1.8 trillion parameters, the need for raw computing power has soared. Companies like Meta, Google, and IBM have all designed their own AI chips, each with unique architectural innovations to overcome the speed barriers of traditional computing. At the heart of these advancements are techniques like parallel processing, accessible memory, and numerical shortcuts. GPUs, with their hundreds or thousands of smaller cores, excel at the repetitive calculations that power machine learning. Meanwhile, specialized chips like Google's Tensor Processing Unit, TPU, are designed from the ground up to excel at the specific mathematical operations required for AI. The rise of AI chips has not spelled the end for the humble CPU, however. Modern CPUs are becoming better at parallel computations, and the lines between chip types are blurring. The most powerful supercomputers today rely on a mix of CPUs and GPUs, each playing a vital role in accelerating scientific discoveries and technological breakthroughs. As the pace of innovation continues to accelerate, researchers are exploring even more radical approaches, such as optical chips that use light instead of electrons, and quantum computing chips that harness the strange behavior of subatomic particles. The future of AI hardware is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the race to power the AI revolution is heating up, and the winners will shape the course of technology for years to come. Source: www.nature.com. Engage students, create a classroom chat GPT policy together. Empowering students in the AI era, crafting ethical policies for classroom use. In the ever-evolving landscape of higher education, the emergence of generative AI chatbots like ChatGPT has sparked a heated debate. While some academics have championed the benefits of these AI tools, educators have grappled with the ethical implications of their use in the classroom. Amidst this discourse, one voice has been largely absent, that of the students, the very individuals who stand to be most impacted by the policies governing AI use. Major Zonic, a lecturer in human geography at Te Harenga Waka, Victoria University of Wellington, has taken a bold and innovative approach. Rather than crafting an AI use policy in isolation, Zonic decided to involve her students in the process, recognizing that their perspectives and lived experiences are crucial in shaping a truly ethical and effective framework. Zonic's open discussions with her students revealed a nuanced understanding of the ethical considerations surrounding AI. Her students questioned the agency of authors whose work was used to train highly profitable algorithms, and expressed concerns about the perpetuation of racist and sexist biases inherent in the data used to develop these chatbots. They also grappled with the human toll of content moderation, a task often outsourced to workers in precarious conditions. Simultaneously, the students acknowledged the potential benefits of AI, from coding assistance to summarizing complex academic texts, particularly for those whose first language is not English or who experience learning challenges. They recognized the opportunity for AI to promote more equitable outcomes, but also cautioned against the risk of exacerbating existing inequalities, as wealthier students may have access to higher quality AI tools. Zoniac's collaborative approach empowered her students, allowing them to actively shape the policies that would govern their own academic experiences. By involving her class in the decision-making process, she demonstrated the value of student perspectives and challenged the traditional notion of who holds expertise in the ivory tower. The resulting policy reflects a balanced and thoughtful approach. Students are permitted to use AI tools for writing and research support, but must be accountable for their use, providing a statement on how and why they employed the technology. The policy also addresses the ethical considerations around data privacy and the exploitation of content used to train AI algorithms. Zoniac's experiment highlights the importance of moving beyond top-down, one-size-fits-all approaches to AI policies in higher education. By embracing the voices of those most impacted, universities can foster a more inclusive, equitable, and ethically grounded framework for the use of these transformative technologies. As the world continues to grapple with the implications of AI, Zoniac's example serves as a beacon, demonstrating that the path forward lies not in silencing student perspectives, but in actively engaging them in the co-creation of solutions. This collaborative approach not only empowers the next generation of scholars but also paves the way for more responsible and sustainable AI practices within the ivory towers of academia. Source: www.nature.com. Empowering your immune system: How personalized cancer vaccines prevent tumor recurrence, unlocking the immune system's arsenal, the promise of personalized cancer vaccines. In the ever-evolving landscape of cancer treatment, a groundbreaking innovation has emerged: personalized cancer vaccines. These bespoke therapies, powered by the same messenger RNA, mRNA, technology that brought the world a COVID-19 vaccine, are now poised to revolutionize the way we approach cancer care. The story begins with Angela Everett, a Maryland resident who, in March 2020, became part of a clinical trial exploring the potential of this personalized approach. Surgeons removed a malignant mole from her back and a lymph node, not only to excise the cancerous tissue but also to kickstart the process of crafting a vaccine tailored to her unique tumor. The vaccine, constructed using Everett's own tumor mutations, or neoantigens, was designed to train her immune system to recognize and attack any remaining cancer cells. Alongside a potent immune-stimulating drug, the mRNA-based vaccine was administered to Everett every 3 weeks, triggering a series of flu-like symptoms but ultimately leading to a remarkable outcome. She has remained in remission for over 3 years. Everett's story is not an isolated success. The clinical trial she participated in, involving 157 individuals, has yielded promising data. The combination of the personalized vaccine and the immune-boosting checkpoint inhibitor has been shown to reduce the risk of disease recurrence by nearly 50% compared to the inhibitor alone, with indications of extended lifespan as well. These early results have ignited a renewed enthusiasm in the cancer vaccine field, which has long been plagued by setbacks. Companies like Moderna, in partnership with Merck, are leading the charge, refining their manufacturing protocols and expanding their capacity to produce these personalized medicines around the clock. The key to these vaccines' success lies in their ability to target the unique mutations found in an individual's tumor, effectively training the immune system to recognize and eliminate cancer cells. However, the field is not without its challenges. Researchers are grappling with questions of which cancer stages will benefit the most, how to improve the prediction of the most effective neoantigens, and whether mRNA or alternative vaccine technologies offer the best approach. As the scientific community continues to explore these personalized cancer vaccines, the potential for transformative change in oncology treatment is palpable. It's an idea whose time has come, says Sachet Shukla, a computational biologist at the University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center. With the early successes and the relentless drive of researchers, the future of cancer care may lie in harnessing the power of the immune system through these personalized vaccines, keeping tumors at bay and offering renewed hope to patients like Angela Everett. Source: www.nature.com. Unlocking solutions to climate change with an evidence bank, unraveling the climate puzzle, pioneering an evidence bank to guide effective solutions. In the complex and ever-evolving landscape of climate change, researchers are taking a bold step to tackle one of the most pressing challenges: determining the most effective strategies to mitigate its impact. Led by Jan Minks, a climate researcher at the Mercator Research Institute on Global Commons and Climate Change in Berlin, this ambitious plan aims to create an evidence bank, a comprehensive repository of research syntheses that can guide policymakers in their efforts to combat the climate crisis. The initiative is driven by a critical question: what works? As governments worldwide have implemented thousands of policies, from carbon taxes to electric vehicle incentives, the effectiveness of these approaches remains unclear. The evidence bank seeks to fill this void by systematically reviewing and synthesizing the available research, providing a clear and evidence-based roadmap for decision-makers. This innovative approach borrows from the medical field, where systematic reviews have long been used to assess the efficacy of treatments. Minks and his team envision a similar process in the realm of climate science, where AI-powered tools could accelerate the once laborious task of sifting through the exponential growth of climate-related literature. The urgency of this endeavor is underscored by the upcoming Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, assessment, scheduled for 2029. The IPCC has been instrumental in shaping global climate policy, but as Jim Skee, the panel's chair, acknowledges, the organization has been limited in its ability to provide clear guidance on the effectiveness of different policy interventions. The evidence bank could bridge this gap, feeding into the IPCC's next assessment and empowering policymakers with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions. However, the initiative is not without its challenges. Some researchers, such as Navroz Dubash from the Sustainable Futures Collaborative in New Delhi, caution that a narrow focus on specific climate policies may overlook the broader, context-dependent approaches that have been embraced in developing countries. The diversity of local needs and solutions must be acknowledged and integrated into the evidence bank's framework. Additionally, the IPCC's emphasis on incorporating a wider range of perspectives, including indigenous knowledge, raises concerns about the potential exclusion of such valuable insights from a primarily systematic review-based approach. Undeterred by these complexities, Minks and his collaborators are rallying support from climate researchers and funding bodies, such as Wellcome, a leading global health foundation. The vision is to create an open-access, AI-driven platform that automatically updates the evidence syntheses as new studies emerge, providing a constantly evolving resource for policymakers. As the world grapples with the mounting challenges of climate change, this ambitious evidence bank holds the promise of guiding us towards more effective solutions. By bridging the gap between scientific research and policy decisions, this endeavor could be a game-changer in the fight against the climate crisis, empowering governments and communities to make informed choices that truly make a difference. Source: www.nature.com. Enhancing Care. Remote Monitoring for Chronic Kidney Disease Patients, Revolutionizing Kidney Care, How Home Monitoring is Transforming the Lives of Chronic Kidney Disease Patients. In a remarkable feat of scientific innovation, healthcare experts have unveiled a groundbreaking approach to the management of chronic kidney disease, CKD, home monitoring. This cutting-edge strategy is poised to reshape the way we address the growing burden of this debilitating condition, offering a beacon of hope for millions of patients worldwide. The global prevalence of CKD stands at a staggering 10%, with a significant portion of these individuals requiring resource-intensive kidney replacement therapies. Recognizing the pressing need for a more sustainable and personalized approach, a team of renowned researchers has delved into the transformative potential of home monitoring. Advances in technology have paved the way for a new era in CKD management. Patients can now leverage a diverse array of monitoring devices to track their kidney function, electrolyte levels, and even fluid status from the comfort of their own homes. These innovations, ranging from finger-prick blood tests to smart wearables, empower patients to play a more active role in their healthcare, fostering a sense of empowerment and improved self-management. The COVID-19 pandemic has further underscored the importance of remote healthcare solutions, as vulnerable CKD patients seek to minimize their exposure to potential health risks. The integration of e-health modalities has been a game-changer, enabling seamless communication between patients and their healthcare teams, even during times of social distancing. The potential impact of home monitoring extends beyond just patient convenience. By reducing the need for frequent clinic visits, this approach promises to alleviate the economic and environmental burden on overburdened healthcare systems. The shift towards sustainable CKD care is a crucial step in addressing the growing challenges posed by this chronic condition. The integration of artificial intelligence and predictive analytics into this home monitoring framework further elevates the potential of this transformative approach. By analyzing the wealth of data generated through continuous tracking, healthcare providers can gain unprecedented insights into a patient's health status, enabling them to tailor interventions and optimize outcomes. As with any technological advancement, the implementation of home monitoring for CKD patients must be approached with careful consideration of privacy, security, and user-friendliness. Striking the right balance between innovation and patient trust will be crucial in ensuring the widespread adoption and long-term success of this groundbreaking approach. In the years to come, the integration of home monitoring into the management of chronic kidney disease is poised to redefine the landscape of healthcare. By empowering patients, optimizing outcomes, and promoting sustainability, this visionary approach holds the potential to transform the lives of millions, ushering in a new era of personalized and proactive kidney care. Source: www.nature.com. Unlocking the mystery, addressing rarity issues in autonomous vehicles, the curse of rarity for autonomous vehicles, a daunting challenge on the road to safety. As a seasoned science journalist, I have closely followed the remarkable advancements in autonomous vehicle (AV) technology over the past 2 decades. While the industry has made significant strides, a critical obstacle has emerged that threatens to slow the widespread deployment of these self-driving cars: the curse of rarity. The curse of rarity, as the researchers describe, stems from the scarcity of safety-critical events in the vast and complex driving environments encountered by AVs. Despite accumulating millions of miles of testing on public roads, AVs struggle to effectively handle a multitude of rare safety-critical scenarios, such as misidentifying an unknown object or inaccurately predicting the movement of nearby pedestrians. This challenge, the researchers argue, is not merely a case of the long tail problem, but a fundamental issue rooted in the rareness of these safety-critical events within the high-dimensional variable spaces of AV systems. The combination of rare occurrences and the vast number of variables involved creates a compounding effect, hindering the ability of deep learning models to perform safely in real time. The researchers delve into the implications of the curse of rarity across various AV tasks, from perception and behavior prediction to decision-making and validation. In perception, for example, the severe imbalance in data, with safety-critical events being vastly outnumbered by non-critical ones, renders existing approaches inadequate. Similarly, in behavior prediction and simulation, even minor errors can lead to catastrophic consequences, underscoring the need to handle rare events with utmost precision. Addressing the curse of rarity, the researchers propose 3 distinct approaches, each tackling the challenge from a different angle. The first focuses on effective training with more rare event data, exploring methods to better utilize the scarce information associated with these critical scenarios. The second approach centers around improving the generalization and reasoning capabilities of machine learning models, akin to the development of artificial general intelligence, AGI, to overcome the data insufficiency. The third approach aims to mitigate the consequences of the curse of rarity by reducing the occurrences of safety-critical events altogether. This involves combining traditional model-based techniques, such as formal methods, with deep learning approaches to enhance situational awareness and employ defensive driving strategies. Importantly, the researchers emphasize that these 3 approaches are not mutually exclusive, and a combination of these methods holds immense potential in resolving the curse of rarity and accelerating the widespread deployment of safe and reliable autonomous vehicles. As the AV industry continues its quest for widespread adoption, the curse of rarity stands as a formidable challenge that demands rigorous research and innovative solutions. The insights provided by the researchers in this work offer a valuable framework for understanding and tackling this critical issue, paving the way for a future where self-driving cars can navigate our roads with uncompromising safety. Source: www.nature.com. Revolutionizing patient care, the future of therapy with AI. Captivating the future, how generative AI is revolutionizing behavioral health therapies. In the ever-evolving landscape of healthcare, a remarkable convergence is taking place between the realms of artificial intelligence, AI, and behavioral health. Amidst the rapid advancements in AI, specifically in the field of generative AI, GAI, a transformative opportunity has emerged to enhance the delivery and efficacy of therapeutic interventions. Imagine a world where personalized, context-driven visuals seamlessly integrate with evidence-based therapies, empowering individuals to navigate the intricate landscape of emotions with greater clarity and understanding. This is the promise that Guy holds for the future of behavioral health. Recognizing emotions through personalized images. The first step in the emotional empowerment journey is the ability to recognize and name various emotional states. Guy models can be harnessed to create a personalized emotion recognition toolkit, where children are presented with a series of images depicting different facial expressions and asked to match them with corresponding emotions. By generating visuals that resemble the child's own appearance, ethnicity, or familiar characters, Guy can provide relatable cues that facilitate improved emotional understanding. Expressing emotions through tailored visuals. Emotional self-expression is a crucial skill for healthy development, and Guy can be instrumental in enabling this. Through the generation of personalized images associated with specific emotions, individuals can find new avenues to communicate their feelings, whether through words or visuals. This nonverbal medium can provide a powerful outlet, allowing for the externalization and exploration of complex emotions. Managing emotions with customized coping resources. Lastly, Guy can play a pivotal role in fostering emotion regulation skills. By creating personalized coping resources, such as emotion charts, mood trackers, and calming visuals, Guy can empower individuals to develop strategies for managing their emotional experiences. These tailored tools can be seamlessly integrated into existing therapeutic approaches, enhancing the effectiveness of interventions and providing accessible resources for patients. Toward a collaborative future. While the potential of Guy in behavioral health is undeniable, its implementation requires thoughtful consideration. Ensuring the authenticity and nuance of emotional representations, addressing cultural inclusivity, and maintaining human-AI collaboration are crucial. Ethical guidelines, data governance frameworks, and operational strategies must be developed to harness the power of Guy while safeguarding patient privacy and well-being. As researchers and practitioners collaborate to explore the convergence of Guy and behavioral health, the future holds the promise of more personalized, engaging, and effective therapeutic interventions. By harnessing the transformative capabilities of GAI, we can empower individuals to navigate the complexities of emotions, foster resilience, and ultimately improve overall mental health and well-being. Source: www.nature.com